Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a backup of your data on OPPO Reno 14 FS. Alright, so when it comes to my personal experience of creating a backup on this device, it's the best way to create a backup is by using the Google account. Thanks to that, our backup will be saved in the cloud of our Google account that we are currently logged into. And we'll be able to restore it any time. So to create a backup, let's click on the settings. Let's scroll down until we find system and update, and now backup and reset. Now in here we have our Google account. It's also worth enabling the automatic restore. Let's click on our Google account, and you can see that under our Google account, under our account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into, and on that account our backup will be saved and stored. So simply don't forget that Google account and password to it. Make sure that backup by Google One in here is enabled, and that should have some free storage space. In my case I have 99, so I'll have to delete something, so just give me a second. Okay, I have freed up some storage space, and now all we need to do is to click the Backup Now button. Now the process will start. I also need to draw my lock screen to confirm. Now let's wait a little. Okay, currently it's loading. We need to wait until under the backup word a thin bar will appear. It's taking pretty long, so that's pretty unfortunate because usually it takes like a few seconds, but let's simply wait a little until it appears. Alright, finally it appeared. This thin bar under the backup word. It's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. So let me wait a little, and I'll get back to you once it's done. Alright, the bar disappeared, and we can see in here under the backup by Google One sentence that the backup was made successfully 0 minutes ago, and we can see the hour below. And as you take a look into real hour, you can see a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.